Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear fellows, I hope that you all are fine and doing well. So, this is basically my second informative video about the stamp paper and its ancillary issues. So in first video we have discussed some of the basics of stamp paper. So I got some of the replies of my fellows that they need some more further information regarding the stamp paper. So first of all, I just tell all of you people that what is the meaning of the word stamp. The stamp basically means any mark, seal, or endorsement, and such endorsement is by any agency or the person duly authorized by the government in this behalf. So, in other words, it is somehow a kind of certification from the government. Now, what kind of stamp we commonly see at the time of becoming a part of transaction? One is adhesive, or the other one is impressed stamp. So these are the major two terminologies that we go through at the time of transaction. So, in other words, it is like a pre-printed revenue stamp. So, it is uh, easily understandable for the person that the stamp paper is fake or the original. So, by knowing the originality of the pre-printed revenue stamp on that stamp paper. Now we move towards the types of stamp paper which are commonly used in market or in these kinds. Firstly, we study that judicial, and the second one is non-judicial. So, what is a judicial stamp paper? Judicial stamp paper is commonly used for the legal and court work. So, wherever the court proceeding initiates, then the party is required to produce a judicial stamp paper before the court of law. And the secondly is non-judicial stamp paper. Non-judicial stamp paper is commonly used for the registration of the documents such as contracts, deeds, insurances, and some of other transactions of likewise nature. So these are the two main kinds of the stamp paper that are used in market, and recently the government has also introduced electronic version of the stamp paper. So main reason behind the introduction, behind the production of this electronic version is to reduce the element of fraud and to bring transparency in the transactions. So wherever you people fulfill the criteria of seeking the electronic version, then it is my personal advice that go for it, because it has its own sanctity, it has its own originality, which can't be catered with any other replica. So, dear fellows, I hope that this video will also help you at the time of going through various transactions. Further, if you need assistance of any kind, then my phone number is also given at the bottom of this page. So you may call anytime for bringing transparency, for bringing clarity into your transaction. So stay blessed. Allah Hafiz. Thank you very much for time.